Hi friends, my name is V Sonia and I am from Rotaract Club. The first thing that comes to my mind to see a poverty-free India, a country well governed. Poverty is something to be ashamed of. A country badly governed, wealth is something to be ashamed of. The oath I am going to take in this Independence Day to feed the hunger. We are Indians and Vande Mataram.
Hello everyone, myself Rotractor Gitanjali Das from Rotary Club of Agnigar RID 3240. So hope you all are doing good in this pandemic. So today I'll be sharing my views on how I wish I could change India. So first and foremost, India is a generous country and we all love it. So today I'll be sharing my views and my perspective on how I wish I could change India, and there are several points which I will include. Country has come a long way, but there are certain peoples which really think that girls of our age and girls should only get married, cook food and see their children, and they should live inside four walls. They should look after their families, their husband or something else. Change these ideologies. This is the ultimate step towards a healthy society. Change your ideologies and you will see a better future. It's a devastating thing for me to see that India, such a developed country, has not developed the roads yet. So I wish I could change the network system of roads, the transporting systems, etc. Begging in front of streets, and when I even visit our local bazaars and all, I see children's begging. 2 to 3 years children which really needs our love and support. They are begging for their lives. They are begging for food and clothes, etc. I wish I could help them in order to change their lives, to get them educated. I really appeal the government to really look into this matter and help the children out. And secondly, we should conserve our resources. See, we can buy anything from money, but resources aren't the things which we can buy from money. So we should save certain resources like our wildlife sanctuaries. At last, I want to thank each and everyone for hearing me and giving me a chance to put my perspectives in front of everyone. We all are Indians. Vande Mataram. Thank you so much.
Hi, hello guys, this is Satyasanda, member of Rotary Club of Mr. Navajay Muno Jain Engineering College. First of all, happy Independence Day to all. Coming to the point, we Indians are ruling everywhere, guys. Like for example, Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. Lately, Kamala Harris, who is an Indian origin lady, Indian American, who is going to try for vice president. United Kingdom's vice president is Indian origin. So everywhere, like millions of Indians are dominating. But on the other hand, India is still developing. Like we have to go like through the technology. Politically, we are little weak. So everywhere, India is still like comparing others. It is under everything. So to compete this, what we have to do? We have to like the only difference is there. They are picking up the skilled person properly. Here, they are not picking up the skilled person. The skilled person who is knowing the skill is not coming out of the system, who is not in the proper position. So, what I would do is, I would like, if I get a chance, I would pick up the proper skilled person irrespective of his like everything. So, picking up the proper skilled person is the thing I would do. And like my oath this Independence Day is to change my perspective on everything. Like whatever we do, we judge people. That's why in India still we are like lacking in everything. Culturally, we say cultural, but it's not at all cultural. We have to change our perspective. We have to see both the sides. We shouldn't judge any person. Like they have their own perspective. So yeah, and definitely Vande Mataram and. India, like we have got the independence like in 1947, so we are very happy. Thanks to all the leaders, and I would like to conclude by saying, Janani Janmabhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi. That is like mother and motherland are irreplaceable by the heaven.
Hi, this is Rudractor Devashri Hazarika, the International Service Director of Rotary Club of Guwahati East, RID 3240. So now, today, to describe India in one word, that would definitely be diversity. And how would I want to change India? Well, we as youth are a commendable force of ideas, passion, motivation, and the only thing that we lack and we seek guidance is dedication and direction, and that can only be served by our elders. So it is very important that we maintain the thin line of integration between the youth and the elders so that we can spread peace and harmony throughout. And that would be my main aim at this Independence Day, and I solemnly pledge to abide by it. We are Indians. Vande Mataram.
Hey everyone, this is Rotractor Muzaffar Ali from M&M Jain Engineering College. So how will I change India? So the major problem is going on in our current scenario, as we all know, is economic growth, novel coronavirus, and now the global warming. So I will take the necessary measures to control these three things. So the first one is global warming. So as we all know, the ancient method of preventing global warming is through planting more trees, reducing the pollution through awareing people about this ill effects which is going to happen in future. So as far I suggest that we should make many NGOs and awareness programs and camps to aware people about the effects that will going to happen in future as well as in the current scenario. So the second one is economic growth. So economic growth is generally is happen due to lack of unemployment opportunities. So if we approach foreign countries as well as government projects as well as the private organizations for giving a better project so that many people can get employed, so it will help to lead in economic growth. So the another one is coronavirus. So the general methods to avoid coronavirus is to maintain social distancing as well as wash your hands frequently, be safe and be in home. So this Independence Day I take oath to reduce pollution, so which is going to happen in my surrounding as well as where I see. I will let the people to stop not to pollute the environment, so that I will also protect my environment as well as my motherland. So as far the one to describe a country in one word is unity in diversity. As we all know, the India is well known for is the culture. So many peoples many religious people live here, and many languages, different languages spoken people also live here. So as I conclude my motherland as unity in diversity, so we all are Indians. Vande Mataram.
Hi friends, I am Rotractor Balagane, joint surgeon at term 2021, Rotract Club of M&M Jain Engineering College, club number 61097, RID 3232 and group number 12. First of all, happy Independence Day to all. If I were asked to change anything in India, I will abolish caste and help needy. In our country, money and caste become the most unbeatable powers. If we ask to a schoolboy what is money and what is caste, he don't know about the caste, but he say money is our need, we have to earn money to live in the world. And we ask to a rich man, he will say money is our pride and caste is our identity. Yes, we want money to live in India, but we don't need caste to live in India. In schools and colleges also, they are asking the caste. Though our government says caste is not important to marriage, but they give approval to some marriage services to separate itself based on the caste for money. Whatever, some natural calamities like tsunami, flood, brings disaster to our country, we get united and we help the needy and poor with our money. But why we are seeing caste and money all other times? So don't separate ourselves by caste and money. We are all Indians. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, I'm Rotractor R. Rajkumari from Rotract Club of M&M Jain Engineering College. I am feeling happy to share my thoughts and being part of this event, Matram, Be the Change. As we all know, India is the second most populous country in the world, and moreover, 50% of Indian population are dependent on the indigenous industries like agriculture, handloom, fishery and other industries. And these industries act as the primary source for their livelihood. But most of us think that buying the foreign imported goods will make us look like a well-civilized people. But actually, this leads to a great reduction of indigenous industry. If these indigenous industries are reduced, the life of the workers who are dependent on these local industries may lose their job, and hence their families will get affected. How can we solve this problem? The best way to overcome this crisis is creating awareness among the people about the indigenous industries. For example, from 2015, August 7 is celebrated as World Handloomers Day. This day is celebrated on the remembrance of Swadeshi movement. Hence, every day on this year, more awareness about the handloom industries is being created and more people are encouraged to buy the cloths that are made by the local weavers. If the people of a country are affected, the country's economic growth is also affected. Hence, on this Independence Day, I pledge that I will buy only the products that are made in India and help the local workers. This is a small initiative taken by me as a contribution for a good change of a productive India. I sincerely thank Rotaract Club for providing me this wonderful opportunity. We are Indians, Vande Mataram.
Hello everyone, my name is Rotaractor Gaurav Pathak and I am from Rotaract Club of Calcutta. The only thing I want to change in India is people here believe in rumor more than the truth. And I want to take an oath that I will never spread any rumor about anything. For me, India is like a school. I always learn something from people living in different regions of India. That's it. Happy Independence Day and we are Indians. Vande Mataram. Thank you.
Dr. Santosh Varun of M&M Jain Engineering College, and I would like to change a few things in the near future of nation, such as more focusing on the agriculture sector, because agriculture is the backbone of our country, and India is one of the biggest importer of rice and pulses. And if the agriculture sector develops and improves, it will be a great help to the nation. And another thing is, if India then the corruption in India gets reduced a lot, because corruption is it's a parasite which kills a developing nation like India. And I would like to say I want to be a small part in this by not bribing or be a corruptive mind, and also helping the agriculture sector by buying directly from the farmers, or even an Indian seller or something like that. We are Indians, Vande Mataram.
Hello, I'm Rotaractor Simran Das from Rotaract Club of Calcutta. Now, my idea of how I should change the world starts from my home, starts from being sensible and a little bit of being human. We call ourselves human beings, but what we forget is try and act like a human being. So that is how I think I will change or try to change the world, in a world of disparity, disputes and a lot of conflict. What I would like to do is maybe start from something which is very small, that is trying to be a bit sensible. India, in one word in front of me, if you ask me to describe India in one word, I fail to describe the love I have towards my country. It's my Mother India, where I feel people should live with their heads held high. In one word, it's my mother. And we all are Indians, Vande Mataram. The oath that I'm going to take on this Independence Day is the same thing I want to start the change with, is try and be more sensitive to the people. Try and stretch hands to the people who need me. Trying to be there for people, serving the people is what I believe in. I believe change is not going to come and knock on your door. You should be the one who's starting the change, initiating it, even if it's very small. Starting from maybe just a smile to the other person, or maybe helping someone. It can be very small, but at the same time, small things lead to greater deeds. So, I would like to start with the thing I talked about previously, is try and be sensible.
Hello everyone, this is Rotaractor Lavanya from Rotaract Club M&M Jain Engineering College, RID 3232. We celebrate the bravery of our freedom fighter and their gift of freedom. Happy 74th Independence Day. So, are we satisfied with our country? Are we developed for the past 73 years? Yes, we are developed. We are among the top 5 nations of the world in terms of GDP. Our achievements have been globally recognized today. Yet, we lack self confidence to see ourselves as a developed nation. When it comes to us actually making positive contribution to the system, we lock ourselves with our families in a safe cocoon and we wait for Mr. Clean to come along and work miracle for us with a majestic sweep of his hand. No, it doesn't happen for the past 73 years and it's not going to happen now. So, who is going to change the system? Yes, we youngsters are going to bring the change. We are going to finish what Abdul Kalam sir started, my vision for India. Instead of giving our work and effort to a foreign country franchise, we can use those ideas to our country to develop us. India is among the top 10 countries with the highest pollution. We should bring a law that is mandatory to plant a tree for every Indian citizen. We youngsters have ideas, the creativity, the great energy to shape a better world. We have the power to change a better country, and this is how we are going to change by faith, dignity, and trust. Our voice matters. So, the oath I am going to take to fulfill my responsibility is be the change you wish to see in the world, which is a proverb written by Mahatma Gandhi. We are Indians. Vande Mataram.
Hello all, this is Rotractor Harish representing the Rotary Club of M&M Jain Engineering College, sponsored by Rotary Club of Adyar, club number 61097, RAD3232 and group number 12. On the occasion of our country's 74th Independence Day, we guys are initiating an event called Matram under the International Service banner. For this, I'm doing this short video. The one thing which I would love to see change in my country is nothing but the migration of our own countrymen from our motherland to some other else country. We would have witnessed such things even before our independence for various reasons like education, quality education, proper medical amenities, for improved job opportunities. There are lot more things to add on to it. The reasons are same even after the independence, but still we need to make a change for that. So in order to eradicate such things in the future, we need to provide just three simple things. One is to provide good quality education. The second is nothing but providing some proper medical amenities, and the final thing is to provide them with new job opportunities so that there won't be any unemployment kind of things. So in order to convert it into a reality, I would love to take an oath that I will work here in my own motherland, and I would do the needful in order for the betterment of my own motherland. So happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind.
All, this is Rotractor Deepak Raj, Sergeant at Arms for the year 2021. Rotary Club of M&M Jain Engineering College, sponsored by Rotary Club of Adyar, club number 61097, group number 12, RID 3232. If I were asked to bring a change to my country, it would be mainly on the education system. So, for me, education system is meant for all. But in India, some villages, there are no schools and no elementary schools, such that the children go for daily wage working for the living. So my concept is that the education system given to the rich should also be given to the poor. As a part of Independence Day, I am pledged to take an oath that I will work in India and I will do my best to develop my country and will help the people in need. To describe India in a single word, India as the second mother to all of us. Happy Independence Day, guys. We are all Indians. Jai Hind.
Hi, I'm Rotator Sanjay, Rotary Club of M&M Jain Engineering College, sponsored by Rotary Club of Adyar, club number 61097, group number 12, RAD 3232. Good morning, everyone. Wish you all have very Happy Independence Day. After 200 years of British rule, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Independence Day is the celebration of our freedom. Independence Day make us feel that we are one, that is Indians. India is just not a one word, and it is not enough just to describe India is one word. It a mixture of varieties of language and cultures and religions and festivals and moral themes. India means youth. As per the census of youth, the India have 19.1 percentage. The youth today want too much freedoms and nothing to do with their values. With all Western having started adapting the Indian cultures, more the youth of India is abusing their own culture. The youth really they wasting their own time. They playing PUBG and using TikTok. They not considered about our nation. Youth can help the change the society outdating now. Young peoples are powerful forces for good and with their energy. They give chance to exercise the rights they can bring about the positive chances. Youth have role to renew and refresh the current status of our society, including leadership and innovation and skills, etc. The youths are accepted to advance the current technology, education, policy, peace of our country. My theme is I am not wasting my time. The youth are the pillars of our country. India will become developed country on 2022. We all are Indians. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Hello all, myself Road Tracker Janaki, Road Track Club of M&M Jain Engineering College. If I could change something for my country, then I will definitely find a way to improve its cleanliness. In 2020, India has ranked 168 among 180 countries in Environmental Performance Index EPI, which is a measure that quantifies and numerically marks the environmental performance of the state's policies. As a citizen of India, it is also our primary duty to maintain the cleanliness of our country. Cleanliness paves a better future for our generation and also for our future generation by providing a quality environment to live in. A simpler way that we can follow cleanliness is by following 3R: reduce, reuse and recycle. Since we are in a critical situation, it is also important for us to maintain cleanliness in ourselves. My Independence Day resolution is going to be not to pollute our country any further, and also I ask the viewers of this video to follow the same. Unite is the word that I can describe my country, because even there are many religions, traditions, cultures are followed, we are all united as the children of our country. And importantly, we are Indians and Vande Mataram. Thank you.